Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Botany by Dr. Jasvinder Kaur. Today I am going to discuss fifth part of series 450 most important plant taxonomy MCQs for all competitive exams. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the latest notification about the videos uploaded. Without wasting time, let's start. When the flowers are arranged in a basipetal order, the inflorescence is termed as. In basipetal orders, the new flowers are formed at the base and old flowers are present at the top of the inflorescence. In this condition, it is called as cymose inflorescence. Consider the following statements. Systematics is the study of diversity of organisms and their evolutionary relationship. This is correct because systematic is the study of diversity of organisms and their evolutionary relationship. Then the second statement is the word systematics has its origin from the Greek language. No, it's wrong because the word systematic has its origin from the Latin language, not Greek language. The word systematics was first used by Carolus Linnaeus. This is also correct. So among these three statements, statement 1 and 3 both are correct. This is the correct answer. Example of homogamous ligulate capitulum inflorescence is. Among these, the homogamous ligulate capitulum inflorescence is found in Sonchus. Homogamous capitulum have single type of flowers, always the bisexual flowers. Anthers of family Poaceae are, in family Poaceae the anthers are always dithecous, versatile and introse type. This is the correct option. Elongated internode of thalamus between calyx and corolla. If an elongated internode of thalamus is present between the calyx and corolla, it is known as the anthophore. Monadelphous stamens are characteristics of. Monadelphous stamens is the condition of stamens in which the filaments are fused or united to form a single bundle while anthers remain free, and this type of condition is present in hibiscus of family Malvaceae. Which among the following is not an example of schizocarpic fruit? Schizocarpic fruit is a dry and many seeded fruit with simple fruits that break up into single seeded parts called the mericarps. Schizocarpic fruits among these are regma, cremocar and lomentum, but barosta is not a schizocarpic fruit. Concern with nomenclature of organisms. A. Whitaker and B. Strickland. Among these, the person who is concerned with the nomenclature is Whitaker and Strickland. Both are concerned with the nomenclature of organisms. Whitaker proposed 5-kingdom classification in 1969 and Strickland proposed a series of rules for the nomenclature of organisms in zoology called the Strickland Code in 1842. So, both are concerned with the nomenclature of organisms. Which one of the following pair of fruit and edible part is not correctly matched? We have to find the incorrect pair. Pomegranate, edible part is juicy testa. This is correct. Apple, edible part is fleshy thalamus. It is also correct. Lychee, edible part is fleshy aril. This is also correct. Coconut, edible part is mesocarp. This is incorrect because in coconut the edible part is its endosperm, not the mesocarp. In which kingdom prokaryotic organisms were placed by Whitaker? By Whitaker, prokaryotic organisms were placed in kingdom Monera. Which one of the following plants belongs to subfamily Caesalpinaceae? Among these, Bauhinia belongs to family Caesalpinaceae. The fruit of Fragaria indica is the strawberry and its fruit is called the Eterio of Echini. The lowest taxonomic category in universal usage is, the lowest taxonomic category is the species. Alternative name of family Cruciferae is, alternative name for this family is family Brassicaceae. The term taxonomy was first coined by, A.P. de Candolle, that is the Augustine Pyramus de Candolle, and he coined this word taxonomy in year 1813. The Central National Herbarium is located at, Kolkata. Indian Botanic Garden was established by, Indian Botanic Garden is now known as Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Indian Botanic Garden, and it was established by Robert Kidd in 1787. Onion, Ilium cepa, belongs to family Liliaceae. When stamens of a flower unite only by the anthers, leaving the filaments free, it is called the syngenaceous condition, and this is present in family Astraceae. Ovaries of two adjacent flowers may fuse, leaving other parts of the flowers free. This is termed as, when the ovary of two adjacent flowers fuse, leaving the other parts of the flower free, it is termed as syngynia. And this syngynia condition is present in genus, Lonicera of family Caprifoliaceae. The edible part of grapes is epicarp, mesocarp, and placenta of grapes. The inflorescence of banana is, Spadix. Which genus of Cucurbitaceae has bisexual flowers? Bisexual flowers are present in Schizopepon of family Cucurbitaceae, that is having both the male and female parts in the same flower. The genus Agave was separated from Ambryllidaceae and kept under Agaveaceae because it shows. Genus Agave was separated from Ambryllidaceae and is kept under its own family Agaveaceae because it showed different chromosomal size from the family Ambryllidaceae. In Smilex zealandicum, the stipule type is, stipule is tendril type. Persistent calyx forming a cover around the fruit is found in, persistent calyx around the fruit is present in family Solanaceae, and among these present in Vidinia somnifera, which belongs to family Solanaceae. Unitegmic ovules are a characteristic feature of, ovules are the ovules having one single integument. This is characteristic feature of Gamopetalae. The most important character of family Caparidaceae is, in family Caparidaceae, gynophore is the character that is the most important. Gynophore is a stalk bearing the gynoecium above the petals and stamens. We eat aril of lychee, which is made up of, the aril of lychee that we eat, it is made up of its third integument. Botanical name of plants are in Latin, so as to, the names of plant are given in Latin to achieve the international uniformity. The placentation in Leguminosae is, that is the marginal placentation. Gynostemium and gynostagium are types of adhescence placed under, they are placed under gynandry. Gynandrous condition occurs when the androecium is attached with the gynoecium, and it is depicted by these structures called gynostigium in the family Asclepidaceae and gynostemium in the family Orchidaceae. Gynobasic style, circerole fruit and verticillaster inflorescence are characteristics of family Lamiaceae. These are present in family Lamiaceae. The writer of the families of flowering plants is, its writer is Hutchinson, John Hutchinson. In 1926 he gave the first volume, and in 1934 he gave the second volume of Families of Flowering Plants. A monocot leaf possessing reticulate venation is that. Among these, Smilex is a plant in which the monocot leaf possesses the reticulate venation. Glooms are modified. Glooms are the modified bracts, that is the characteristic of family Poaceae. The basis of division of family Leguminosae into three subfamilies is, this family is divided into three subfamilies on the basis of corolla and androecium. The flowers are zygomorphic in among these, Delphinium flowers are zygomorphic, and Ranunculus, Brassica and Ipomea, these are having the actinomorphic flowers. The fruits developing from a superior bicarpellary ovary with two parietal placentae are, these are the siliqua fruits, and this is characteristic of family Brassicaceae. Caruncle present in castor seed is, it is the micropylar outgrowth of the integument. The disc florets of Compositae are, actinomorphic and epigynous types. The ovules in Fabaceae are usually, they are compilotropous and bitegmic. Compilotropous ovules are the ovules which are partially inverted and curved such that the micropyle nearly meets the funiculus, and bitegmic integument is having two integuments. A lina is a woody climber. Woody climbers are called lina. Multiple spathes around a spadix are found in. Spathe is a large bract that forms a sheath to enclose the flower cluster of certain plants, and multiple spathes around spadix are found in maize. Belongs to family Poaceae. In angiosperms, the egg is surrounded by a wall at the micropylar end. In the statement, isotype is a duplicate specimen of eggs from the same collection of the same date and same locality. X stands for, in this question, X stands for the holotype, as isotype is a duplicate specimen of holotype and from the same collection of the same date and same locality. Correct answer is holotype. Gynobasic style is a characteristic feature of family Labitae, but it is also found in several members of, yes, gynobasic is characteristic feature of family Labitae, and it is also found in many members of family Boraginaceae also. A name spelled exactly like a validly published name for taxon of the same rank based on different types. Example, Jatropha heterophylla, Studel 1840 and Jatropha heterophylla Heine X. Hook F. 1887. Both the plants are having same names, but the above names are the homonyms because they were spelled same and having the same rank based on different types. So these are called the homonyms. To which one of the following genus Clusia belong? Clusia belongs to family Clusiaceae, and the other name of family Clusiaceae is family Guttiferae. So correct answer is Guttiferae. Which one of the following has both male and female sex elements in the same flower? Among these, Dhatura is having both the male and female sex elements in the same flower. And other members, date palm, cycas and papaya, these are the dioecious plants which are having male and female flowers on separate individual plants. So that's all for today. Rest of the questions I will discuss in next video. Until next time, goodbye.